Hey guys, my name is Sal, and this is a YouTube channel that I want to start for myself. Um, I'm going to work in a bit, so I thought I'd do this since this is something I'm going to be doing on my free time. I don't have the car with me yet, but I wanted to make a quick video on this channel so I can have some content up before I actually get the car. It's March 2nd today. I'm supposed to get it on March 9th. It's Saturday, so on Friday. My friend's giving it to me. Well, not giving it to me, I'm buying it off of him for 200 bucks, and it's going to be the project that's going to start off this YouTube channel. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to get is something called a Mazda MX-3. It's a 4-cylinder, I think it's a 1.6 iron block. What I want to do to it is I want to eventually turbo it. I've been thinking about doing this for a while now, getting a project car and also starting a YouTube thing, because there's a lot of people that could help me get to where I want to go, whether it be building, learning things, having a place to store my car or to do things on, because right now I'm in between living situations where I'm not going to get too much into detail about, but I am trying to move. So having a stable place where I could have this car at would be perfect. Now, I don't know if it's running. I don't know if it needs just a battery. He told me the last time he turned it on was like a month ago, maybe 2 months ago. He said that it might just need a battery, but when he did take it to get smog, it didn't pass smog. So what I'm thinking, my car guys out there already, when it doesn't pass smog, it just might be an oxygen sensor or something from the evap or something that's not letting it pass smog. So that's what I want to attack. The car I'm getting for 200 bucks, so it's going to be really, really cheap. I don't know my way around a Mazda engine, but I'm hoping it's kind of the same as all the other 4 cylinders. Maybe there's some little things here and there that don't really come to mind when I see it, like, oh, I have to do some research on it or something. But because usually what I've been studying is Hondas. Now I literally love Hondas. I love these years. I don't really go by chassis codes. I don't really know what they're called. I still have to look them up and learn them, but I love this Honda, specifically 95 to 2000. I like Acura's, the Integra 95 2000, same one. Yeah, so basically I was learning and picking up a lot of interesting things about these cars. How to swap them, how to rebuild B series, how to rebuild basically the D series, the normal 1.6 that comes in the Hondas. I was doing research on those. I wanted to maybe do a turbo build on that, but I don't really like 1.6 liter single cam engines. I really love double overhead cams, and I'm early going to dive into getting myself a Haynes manual for the Mazda MX-3. And I'm also barely getting into learning a little bit more about the engine. I don't know a lot about them, but I know that this year actually came with these years. They were Mazda manufactured this MX-3 between 92 and 94. So I know parts are going to be extremely hard to get. The manual, I already saw it online for $10, so I could order that. It's a big, thick book like this. The parts, the wing, if I wanted to do a different type of wing on this car, I'll show you this car. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, go to Google 1993, the one that I have, Mazda MX-3, the 4-cylinder version, not the 6-cylinder. I think it's called the Presidia. I'm not 100% sure. Like I said before, I am still getting into all of this, and I'm still not new to rebuilding an engine, because I've taken classes, I've done my school, and like I know my way around a car. Like, I'm not scared to get my hands in there and take off heads and do stuff like that. So right now this whole build is just going to be getting the car. So right now this is just going to be like a short little video. It's not going to be too long. It's just something so I have content and to keep driving myself to go forward in this outlet. Cause I do a lot of stuff. I like to do music. I write music. I like to play video games a lot. It's fucking bad. I like to go to school. I like to learn a lot too. So hopefully this will be a learning experience for you guys as well as me. Now my camera setup, I am ghetto. I am from the fucking hood. I am from East LA. So so I don't really have a lot of resources and a lot of money to be wasting on stuff. And I feel like that's the theme around a lot of these YouTubers who do car stuff, is like most of them do budget builds. Most of them have YouTube builds on their channel that are budget, like you literally buy a $200-300 car, and YouTube builds on their channel that are budget, like you literally buy a $200-300 car and just as much as you can, using all the resources you can, finding a way to make the car run well, perform, and not just that, but also look good. Use my skills in that, learn a little bit more. So I'm hoping I could learn a little bit more about body work, suspension. I primarily, my main focus when I went to school was engine rebuilding. I really did want to build an engine. I wanted to deconstruct one, put it apart, then put it back together, torque specs, secret ways of taking out tools, learning the tools, necessary tools to take out certain things. Like this has all been a learning experience, and this has all been something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I know I need to take this first step, which is this, and to make this video. This video is going to be short, not a lot of content, just a lot of me in it, a lot of plans for the MX-3. I do eventually want to get a turbo. Right now, I don't know what exact condition it is in. I know the body is pretty beat up. He tried to put a lot of stickers on the inside of the dash, and the sun went through the light, pretty much dried it all up, and now they look weird. So I'm gonna have to do my whole dash again. I know that for a fact. Take off all those stickers. So I'm gonna have to do my whole dash again. I know that for a fact. Take off all those stickers. I don't think I'll be able to source an MX-3, an ID3 MX-3 dash, the whole dash, but if I do, I've seen them at the junkyard. If I do, it'll be a win-win for me. If I don't, well, fuck it. I'll find a way to try to make it work. Also, too, it is raining where I live. As of right now, that does put a little damper on things that I'm doing, because like I'm gonna get it on Friday, and the rain's really gonna stop Thursday. And I don't know if it's gonna be raining still past the next week, or if anything, if I'm gonna be able to work on it. But the reason I started now was because I am picking up a little bit more hours at work. I am more focused on this. I'm more driven towards this, and also too, I'm getting my taxes pretty soon, so I hope to invest in this car a little bit more than just a couple $100. So hopefully I can make it run. If it's not running, make it perform a little better. Maybe rebuild the head, and if I'm going for boost, I could probably boost it on the stock block that it has right now. But again, I don't want to talk a lot of mess, because I don't know my specs on the car. I don't know what engine is even in the car. It could be the Presidio V6, or it could be just a simple like KL something 4-cylinder. So as I am here with you guys learning, you will learn with me. You get what I mean. So the plans would be turboing it, rebuilding the engine first, turboing it, make it reliable, and then getting deeper into aftermarket parts for it. This car was by no means a car that I want. For me, this car is like a kind of blessing in disguise. So I really want to work on it for me myself. Goals for it, again, boosting, and also showing my girlfriend how to drive manual, because she knows how to drive automatic, but she's kind of sketch at it. So I kind of want to teach her a little bit more of the like basics, I guess. And sorry, she messaged me. What else? She just messaged me as I was talking about her. Okay, all right. Also too, other stuff that I want to do to the car is repaint it, bondo it, get all the scratches, everything out of it. I want to buy a body kit for it, and I have a lot of plans for this car. I'm gonna leave this down to like a 15-minute video, because I don't want people to just hear me rambling on and on. There's not a lot of things I can show you because I haven't gone in the car, but I just wanted to get started with this. So if anything, in the description I'll put my Instagram, and I'll put my my YouTube channel. for the on the bottom of my Instagram, so you guys can follow me. I don't really post a lot of stuff on there, but it's just for personal messages. So if you guys live in California, or you guys live in Los Angeles, and you guys want to help me out with this build, and you guys want to come through, and I'll put you in the videos, and we can do stuff together. You can help me if you have a little more experience in Mazdas. I am a little educated on how to build the motors and how to do stuff, so I'm not completely dumb on this subject. So for right now, that's all I have. I don't have a lot more to say. This is gonna be like I said, short video. Hopefully you guys follow the channel, follow the build, and like the way I talk, because then that's gonna get you guys to come, you know. Okay, see you guys. I don't have a catchphrase, but I will have one soon.